What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, and today I'm excited to announce to you that we have officially released the Enroll Summit, which is a free complimentary training for course creators anywhere to learn what they need to learn to go from 0 to their first 10 customers or students or clients, whatever you call them, in the next 30 days, going from 0 to 10. So really going from 0 to 1 is one of the most challenging things when you're first starting an online course, a training-based membership site, or coaching program. So what we did is we partnered with some of LifterLMS's successful users to create a distilled 10 training course essentially on how to go from 0 to your first 10 enrollments. You'll learn from some of the brightest minds in the LifterLMS community, like Melissa Love, who has an incredibly beautiful, successful coaching program and membership site for designers and marketers and course creators. We've got Ziv here, who made $277,000 in 2020, teaching in a very small micro niche of balloon artists, kid entertainers. We've got Jenny Jacobs here, who has built a wonderful business teaching childcare workers. She's done it with a lower price point course. She's also a classically trained instructional designer. There's so much you're going to learn from these people. So go ahead and click the link below this video to go get free access to the Enroll Summit hosted by LifterLMS.